Well, good morning. I'm Jaginder Rana. So, topic for our discussion today is deposit insurance cap hike likely soon. Deposit insurance cap hike likely soon. So the government is actively considering a hike in the deposit insurance limit for bank deposits from the present level of rupees 5 lakh within the next 6 months. The deposit insurance limit refers to the amount of savings in bank deposits whose safety is assured if a lender goes bankrupt. The insurance provided through the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation covers all forms of deposits, including those in savings and current accounts, parked by customers with commercial and cooperative banks. While the government is yet to take a final call on the quantum of the new insurance limits for deposits to update rupees 5 lakh cap set 5 years ago. Officials signal the revised ceiling will be within rupees 10 lakh mark. The cap had been raised from rupees 1 lakh set in 1993 to rupees 5 lakh on February 4, 2020. In the aftermath of the collapse of the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank that affected lakhs of depositors' households. So the Finance Ministry is considering several factors and determining the new limit. These include how many people will be covered, the amount of the deposits to be insured, and how much the government will realistically be able to guarantee. Decision will also depend on existing income levels and the current volume of the insured deposits. So, deposits in nearly 98% of 2.89 billion accounts in insured banks were fully protected by rupees 5 lakh insurance cap as of March 31st, 2024, according to DICGC data. But this protection only covers 43.1% of the accessible deposits of rupees 2,18,23,481 crore as on the same date. So DICGC is wholly owned subsidiary of the Reserve Bank of India. In February, the Secretary of Financial Services said a proposal to increase deposit insurance is being considered and the Finance Ministry will notify it once the Cabinet takes a decision. But these remarks had come soon after the RBI prohibited New India Cooperative Bank from issuing new loans and suspended deposits withdrawals for 6 months. The banking regulator later superseded the bank's board and appointed an administrator. At the end of 2023-24, the 63-year-old DICGC had a deposit insurance fund of rupees 1,98,753 crore and had settled deposit cover claims of rupees 1,432 crore to account holders in cooperative banks during the year. The deposit insurance premium receipts during the year stood at rupees 23,879 crore. Of the 1997 insured banks registered with DICGC at the time, so 140 were commercial banks and 1,857 cooperative banks. Now, deposit insurance in India was introduced in 1962 with a coverage limit of rupees 1,500 per depositor. This limit has been gradually increased over the years, taking it to rupees 20,000 in 1976 and 30,000 in 80. And in the 45 years since then, the limit has been reset twice. So, the government of India is preparing to increase the limit of insurance on bank deposits from rupees 5 lakh to rupees 1 million in the next couple of months. The matter is under discussion. However, a final decision has not yet been made on what the new limit will be. Several aspects are being considered while deciding the new boundary. For example, how many account holders will be covered, how much money will be insured, how much guarantee will be given by the government. So this will be announced by the Ministry of Finance after the Cabinet's decision. In fact, under the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act, the government provides deposit insurance of rupees 5 lakh to customers in case of bank closure or sinking. So depositors receive this amount within 90 days. This limit was last raised 5 years ago. Deposit insurance was introduced in India in 1962. So at that time, the limit per account holder was rupees 1,500 only. It was increased from time to time. 20,000 rupees in 1976, 30,000 in 80, 1 lakh in 1993. So after the Punjab and Maharashtra cooperative bank crisis, it was increased to rupees 5 lakh in February 2020. So in India, if the bank is turned upside down, the account holder gets a refund of a certain amount of money from the amount deposited by him. In February 2025, the Reserve Bank of India took a strict action against the New India Cooperative Bank. Since then, discussions on increasing bank deposit insurance have intensified. So several aspects are being considered while deciding the new boundary. For example, how many account holders will be covered, how much money will be insured, how much guarantee will be given by the government. So this will be announced by the Ministry of Finance after the Cabinet's decision. So under the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act, the government provides deposit insurance of 5 lakh today to customers in case of bank closure or sinking. So depositors receive this amount within 90 days. Thank you very much.